Hey, everybody! Welcome, friends, to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how to disable two-factor authentication on Facebook. Dear friends, don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to the channel, and also please write comments. So let us get down to this topic. And first you will need to open, of course, Facebook on your device. After that, friends, go to the menu section at the bottom. And then at the top, click on the gear. And then you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center. And then select Password and Security, Two-Factor Authentication. And then select Facebook page. Now you will need to enter your Facebook page password. Once you enter your password, you will be taken to the two-factor authentication page. You will need to, friends, enter your maybe email in order for a code to be sent to it. Or you don't have to enter your email address, and you'll get a special code, which you have to enter into a line like this to confirm that it's really you and that you want to disable two-factor authentication on Facebook. This, friends, is the method to disable two-factor authentication on Facebook. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to put your likes and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.